Hey y'all, Max here with another video. But this time, I'm here with my special guest, Tom Kowalski from Emuge-Franken. No relation. How's it going, Tom?
I'm doing great, Max. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, bro. Glad you could make it. Before we get started, tell folks a little about yourself so they know who they're dealing with.
Sure, man. Happy to. I've been with Emuge-Franken for over 26 years, and for the last 11, I've been the Northeast Regional Manager, covering 11 states here on the East Coast, including Maryland, where you are.
Wow, 26 years around machine shops. Tell me, Tom, have you had your urine checked for soluble oils?
Well, Max, since you asked, as a matter of fact, I have. I can reliably report I maintain a 1-to-10 ratio. Perfect for high-temp alloys.
Good one. But now I think you're getting off on the wrong tool.
Hey, man. You started this, I'm just trying to keep up.
Ha! Fair enough. Let's get into why you're really here before we go completely off the rails.
Well, Max, when I'm working with distributors and calling on shops, tap breakage comes up a lot. Nobody wants to scrap a piece they've already got hours of machining time in because they snapped off a tap in the part.
Preach, brother. Been there.
Right? More often than not, it's not the tap. It's what's happening to it in that reversal that sometimes gets overlooked.
So when a tap breaks, it's not always the tool's fault.
Bingo! And the key to focus in on here is that, of all the cutting tools in your machining operation, the tap is the only tool that stops dead in the middle of its own cycle and reverses direction.
Yep, mid-cut, full stop, then backward.
Right? And in that split second, you're changing load direction, squashing chips that are still trying to clear the hole, and asking the tool to survive a move nothing else in the shop has to make.
Okay, Tom, now we know the problem. What's the solution?
That's where Emuge-Franken Soft Synchro tap holders come in. We recognize the industry shift to synchronized tapping in the early 90s and developed the first tap holder for this environment. Soft Synchro separates the spindle from the tap via a patented elastomer spring that absorbs axial forces, giving the tap an immense boost in tool life and performance.
Which is exactly why a tap holder isn't optional gear. It's the thing absorbing the hit so your tap doesn't have to.
100%. That's the whole idea behind Soft Synchro. Give the tap a break before it breaks.
Nice. Well said, homie. Where can folks get these Soft Synchro holders?
Come on, Max. Chapman handles the complete line of Soft Synchro holders, as well as the rest of the Emuge-Franken catalog of holders, cutting tools, and gauges.
Yeah, man, I know it. I just like to hear you say it.
You're a real class act, Max. Don't ever change.
Bro, you know this. Seriously, though, Tom, thanks for coming out. Appreciate the time.
Anytime, Max. Happy to help.
Alrighty then. That will do it for this video. Again, special thanks to Tom Kowalski at Emuge-Franken. And like the man said, here at Chapman we carry the complete line, so be sure to check us out at shop.wcchapman.com. Or you can give us a call at 410-686-6860. And hey, help us spread the love. Don't forget to like and subscribe.